and welcome to chat show number 6. Today we'll be here because we haven't just got one other person because Lily isn't here at the moment. So today we've got two other people. He's got a dark blue one, and just show him how to transform it, James. Because show
it can bend.
It bends. Look. Woo, woo.